In our fast-paced modern world, lifestyle diseases have emerged as a significant health concern. These conditions often linked to our daily choices and habits and can have a profound impact on our overall well-being. Lifestyle diseases encompass a range of conditions, including heart disease, type 2 diabetes, obesity, stroke, and certain types of cancers. Hello everyone and welcome to All Lite Food, and here we are going to talk about the lifestyle diseases, a wake-up call to prioritize your well-being. Unhealthy lifestyle choices such as poor diet, lack of physical activity, excessive stress, smoking, and excessive alcohol consumption contribute to the development of these diseases. However, the good news is that many lifestyle diseases are preventable and in some cases even reversible. Adopting a healthy lifestyle is key to safeguarding against these diseases. Begin by focusing on a well-balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, while limiting processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive salt and saturated fats. Regular physical activity should be incorporated into your routine, aiming for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise each week. Stress management plays a vital role as well. Find techniques that work for you, such as practicing mindfulness, engaging in hobbies, or seeking support from friends and loved ones. Quitting smoking and reducing alcohol consumption also significantly lowers the risk of lifestyle diseases. Regular health checkups are essential to catch any potential health issues early on. Monitor on the blood pressure, blood sugar, cholesterol level, and body weight regularly. Early detection and timely intervention can make a world of difference in preventing the progression of these diseases. Remember, your health is your most valuable asset. Prioritizing a healthy lifestyle not only reduces the risk of lifestyle diseases, but also enhances your overall quality of life. Make conscious choices every day that contribute to your long-term well-being. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as your efforts pave the way for a healthier and happier future. So thank you for joining us on this journey towards a healthier lifestyle. We appreciate your support and enthusiasm for Lite Food. To stay connected and receive regular updates on delicious and nutritious Lite recipes, cooking tips, and healthy living inspiration, we invite you to subscribe to our channel and website. Together, let's continue to explore the world of Lite Food and make conscious choices that nourishes our body and delight our taste buds. Join our community today and embark on a flavorful and health-conscious culinary adventure.